Hello children. Yes, last class we studied about the physical features of India. Okay, we studied about the different physical features. We studied from north to south. All the physical features of India we studied thoroughly. Okay, so we are studying about the different landforms, that is different physical features of India. Next we have to study about the climate of India. We studied about one lesson, climate. That is altogether what is climate. Weather, what is weather, and factors depend on weather, and also after that we studied what is climate. What is climate? Yes, altogether, yes, climate is average weather condition over a long period of time. Okay, and after that we studied about what are the factors depend on climate. Okay, we studied that is latitude, altitude, mean distance from the sea, all these things we studied. That is all together what is climate and now we have to study about what are the which are the climate in India. We are feeling which are the climate we are facing in India. Normally, how many climate we are in India? Normally, we have 3 seasons. So, isn't it? Which are the 3 seasons? Yes. Now, which season we are going to reach into which season? Yes, that is winter. Because winter season we are waiting for the Christmas, right? Okay, so before winter, which season we just before what season we felt, that is? Yes, monsoon season or rainy season. Okay, so monsoon season before, that's so monsoon season, after winter season, then again summer. So it is a cycle way it is going on, like a summer, monsoon, winter, again summer, then monsoon, then winter. So these are the 3 main climate seasons we can see in India. So this lesson, next lesson, small lesson, we can study about the climate in India. Okay, ready? Lesson 11, the climate of India. There are many factors affect climate. We already studied the factors depend on climate. Many factors we already studied that. Okay, then these factors affect the climate. There are some factors affect climate, that is depend on these factors, climate will be changed. First one, it is landforms. What is meant by landforms? In India, different landforms are there. Yes, that is mountains, plateaus, plains are there, and these landforms affect the climate in various parts of the country. How it affect the various parts of the country? Because mountains, the climate will be different compared to the plateau area. Himalaya, mountain Himalaya and all, there is too cold, so the climate will be cool climate. But compared to the plateau area, that is according to because of these plateaus and all, the middle central part of India, that will be not that much cold as we get from the mountain side. So the landforms affect the climate of the country, especially in India. And according to this landforms, the lifestyle of the people in India, it also will be changed, because extreme hot or cold region, the lifestyle also different. A very cold region like Jammu Kashmir, that side, Himalayan side, they wore the different lifestyle, different types of animals, human we can see in that area according to that climate. And we come to the desert side, because of too hot, we can't use that kind of dress, because we are using cotton ones and all, because of the too hot. So the lifestyle also will be different according to the climate. And some parts get due to pattern of rainfall also affect the climate. According to that some places getting more rain. In India itself, we are talking about India, and the pattern of rainfall depend on different parts of the country in different way. Some places rainfall is more we are getting, and that places sometimes what will happen, flood will come. And some parts of India there will be not that much rainfall is not getting, especially in western part of that is the Rajasthan, that side. So we are not getting that much rainfall as we get in the other western and eastern cuts that side, and also northeast side. That much rainfall is not getting into northwest side of India. So there is sometime drought will come into that area. So different landforms affect the climate because of their lifestyle will change. That pattern of rainfall also will be changed. So according to that, it will affect that country. All these things are happened in India. Okay, that's the speciality in India. And according to that, there are three main seasons in India. Which are the three main seasons? We have summer, monsoon, and winter. Which are the three seasons in India? Summer, monsoon, and winter. And one by one we can study. First we have to study about the summer because summer followed by next after summer, normally summer season after we can get monsoon season. Monsoon season, now it is monsoon season over. So we are going to reach which season? Winter season. Winter season going to finish, we can again in India it will come slowly, it will come the summer season. Okay, so first we have to study from the summer season. Summer season in India starts from April to mid-June. Start from the April and mid-June. June half after we can start monsoon season. So from which time to which time, that is summer season, normally we can in India, that is from April to mid-June. And what the speciality of the sun? It is what's the speciality of the sunlight? The rays of the sun fall directly on India. In this time, the rays of the sun we are getting directly on Indian continent. Okay, Indian a region we are getting. It's not a continent, subcontinent. Okay, in India we are getting this sunrise fall directly. What the speciality of directly we are getting? We are too hot, we are feeling. Normally we can in the every day we are in the noon time, 1 o'clock, that time we are getting sunlight, getting the sunlight is more. But in summer season it will be all day we can feel the sun begins fall directly on Indian subcontinent, and the days become longer and nights become shorter. That is a speciality because slowly only sunset and sunrise we are seeing because of the sun rays are directly on India. So what will happen? The days we will feel days become longer and nights become shorter, and the temperature rises slowly and continues. Slowly temperature will rises, and April starting rising, and May it will come to be too hot. Temperature will be slowly and continuously it will be rises. And normally in the summertime we can see hot winds called Lu. Lu we can see because winds we are, what is meant by wind? Moving air. So we are getting hot air because of summer season we are getting hot wind. So hot wind called Lu, that we can see in summer season. And what is very common, dust storms are very common in desert region because desert we are normally knowing that is sand, it is there. So automatically dust storms are very common in the desert region. These are the specialities, some of the speciality in summertime. So summertime in India in which time? From April to mid-June. And what the speciality of the summer season? Sun rays fall directly on India. And what the speciality of day and night? The days become longer and nights become shorter. And temperature, how it is increasing? Slowly increasing, and continuous way it will increase the temperature. And what is common in this summertime? Lu and dust storm. What is meant by Lu? Hot winds are called Lu, and dust storms are common in which side? Desert side. Okay, and how summer affect the different parts of India? So in India, because of different landforms are there in India, we already studied that. Just last class we studied about the physical features of India. In that we studied the different landforms in India. So different landform in the summertime, different way the temperature is getting into different parts of India. What the speciality of different parts of India, how they are getting this summer effect in different parts of India. Northern plains, strong wind and hailstorms are. This is a common in northern plains. Northern plains, strong wind and hailstorms. Hailstorms means that will say that hazy because of this wind. It is strong wind taking that. So there will be hazy. Everything will can't see because of the dust will be it will be covered. So that will be common in northern region. And in the coastal plains, not very hot and because of sea and land breeze. That is in coastal area. What the speciality of coastal plain? It is near to the sea. So normally, what will be the climate in the coastal plain? Summertime also not too hot, not too cold. Like that, it is that in coastal plain. How it is happen? Because not too hot, not too cold. We already studied because of sea breeze and land breeze. So because of the sea breeze and land breeze, we are not getting too much hot in the coastal plains. And humidity is very high in coastal area. And in this coastal plain, humidity also, what is meant by humidity? Amount of water vapor in the air. Because of this temperature is increasing, automatically water vapor is more. So that is why automatically humidity will be high in coastal areas. That is why after because of this humidity more in coastal area forming clouds. That is why summer after we are getting, yes, monsoon. Okay. And what the speciality in hill stations? Hills and mountains, weather is cool because of high altitude. And hill stations and mountains, that is Himalaya and all, weather will be cool and cold. Why? Because of high altitude. One of the factor depend on climate, altitude. What is meant by altitude? Height above the sea level. From the sea level, hills and mountains are more higher than compared to the plain area. So automatically what will happen? Higher we go, yes, colder it becomes. So when we are going up, the temperature will be decreased. That is why hill and mountains weather will cool because of high altitude. And what is the specialty of fruits we can see in summertime? Mango. In Kerala we can get jackfruit also. The king of, mainly it is in all India, that is the king of fruits, that is mango is a special trait in this season. So now we studied about how the summer affect the different parts of India. Why we are saying about? Because in India different landforms. Okay, so according to that there will be changes. We already studied northern plains, strong wind and hailstorms. Coastal area, not hot, too hot or too cold because of sea breeze and land breeze. And that humidity also very high in that area. And what about hill stations and mountains? Weather become cool because of high altitude. And which fruit we can see in summer? Mango. Mango is known as king of fruits. So that this much you have to study about summer. Clear? And next month, then automatically I already told you this, because of humidity, more moisture in the air, and it will be formed clouds. And that is why summer after we are getting monsoon. After the summer comes the monsoon, and rain. Then monsoon means rainy season. And from which region to which time it is monsoon season or rainy season? From coastal region in June. Coastal region start the rainy season first, because we already studied, yes, because of humidity it is more in coastal area. So coastal area rain starts from the coastal area in June and spread the whole India by the middle of July to September. So starting from the coastal area and slowly spread to whole India in the middle of July to September, and slowly it will be come down. Okay, that is the rainy season. So rainy season start from which side? Yes, coastal region, and that is in June. That is why we told mid-June till summer season. Mid-June, that is why starting from coastal area and spread the whole India by the middle of July to September. Clear? And what the speciality? Normally monsoon time, the not too hot wind. The wind blows from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. So from where we are getting this wind? This from the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Automatically that is cold wind we are getting from this side, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. So from both sides they are getting the wind blows, and it will carry a lot of moisture and heavy rainfall in western and eastern coast. We already started because the coastal plains are which side? Peninsula, southern peninsula. We can see western and eastern Ghats, coastal areas, and heavy rainfall we can see in which side? Western and eastern coast, and also in the northeastern side states. Okay, northeast side also getting heavy rainfall during monsoon season. Okay, so monsoon season come after, yes, summer, and from where it start? First begin from coastal region in the month of June and spread to whole India in the middle of June, July to September. And what the speciality? Wind blows from which side? From which place? This monsoon winds, that is from Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. And heavy rainfall in India. Heavy rainfall, which are the places we are getting heavy rainfall? Western and eastern coast and northeastern states. Okay. And what the speciality? Others, farmers eagerly wait for the rains as their crops depend on rain. Farmers are waiting for rain. Why? Because their crops are depend on rain. They need more water. So the field, so we are seeing this monsoon time. When they are getting the rain starts, they start their cultivation because they want rain, because they will get rain till September. So that is why farmers eagerly wait for the rains as their crops depend on rain. And heavy rainfall, another problem will happen. Heavy rainfall causes flood in some places in India. And the same time, heavy rainfall, we are also faced 2 years before. Flood also will. But some places, Assam or that side, all the year we are getting because of heavy rainfall, automatically northeastern side that heavy flood also will occur. And little rainfall, and the speciality, we are getting these eastern, western side and also coastal area, we are getting heavy rainfall, but other places little than no rainfall getting, that leads to drought in Rajasthan and Gujarat. So Rajasthan, Gujarat, we are seeing mainly in Rajasthan we are facing because of little rainfall, drought also will come. These are the important features of the monsoon season. And another, after monsoon it will come winter. Mainly in India, 3 seasons, which are they? Summer followed by monsoon, then followed by winter. And what is special? Now we are going to the winter season. Okay, winter from mid-November to mid-February. So that is why we are our rainy season going to finish, and half of November reach the middle of November. It will start. Winter will start from mid-November to mid-February. Then slowly February up to March. Then we already told April will start summer season. And what is the speciality of winter? Short days and long night. Then today also we are seeing that when it is 6 o'clock that reached, we have seeing night, we are seeing dark, we are facing. That means that's the speciality of winter, short days and long nights. Then what is the speciality of summer? Long days and short nights. But just opposite in winter, short days and long nights. Clear? And sun rays are slanting. And what is the speciality? Sun rays are slanting. That is because of the movement of the earth. Earth is moving, it's on axis. Okay, so sun rays are slanting because of the movement of the earth. Earth is also moving, and its rotation and revolution we already studied. So according to that, we are getting sun rays are slanting during the time of winter in India. Because we studied in summer, what's happened? Sun rays are falling vertically or directly on Indian subcontinent, and during the time of winter, what will happen? Sun rays are slanting in the Indian subcontinent, and sun rays are slanting because of the movement of the earth. And what the speciality? Weather becomes cool. Just to think about summer, just opposite of winter. weather becomes cool. Heavy snowfall in Himalaya, and because of this winter, heavy snowfall we can face in Himalaya. And cold wind we are getting from the cold winds come from the mountains to the northern plains, and because of this Himalaya we are getting cold wind coming from mountain side to the northern plains. That's the speciality in the winter time. And pleasant days and cold nights in desert region. And this time, winter time, what the speciality in Rajasthan? Pleasant day and cold. The pleasant day will not that much hot we are facing like summer. Pleasant day and night become too cold, not a normal one. Cold it is in desert region. And South India very mild winters. In our side that we are in South India, not that too cold we are not facing. As normal way we are mild winter only in South India. But in North India, heavy snowfall because of Himalaya. So say heavy snowfall and cold wind, and also we desert side also pleasant day and cold night. But in South India there will be only mild winters. So these are the main seasons in India. This is small portion, but you have to study the climate of India. We have spring season also, but in India we are not feeling. We have getting only three main seasons, which are they: summer, then followed by monsoon and winter. And what is mean by spring season? During the month of February to March, that is that period, two months, that is to reach to summer, that period we have spring season. That means what the speciality? Some winter time, some of the leaves shedding their leaves. Especially we can see teak wood and that leaves will be falling down during the winter time, and new leaves will come during the time of spring season, and flowers also bloom during this. So in other European countries we can the spring season is more because they have winter season. All the leaves from the trees will be shedding down. Trees are there in European countries, and after that slowly it will be the leaves will come. The new leaves will come on the trees, and flowers also bloom in during the time of spring season. And this season is very pleasant weather also. But in India we are not feeling that much spring because we are getting not that much shutting down trees are not we can see in because India have different landforms. Okay, so we have spring season. We are just February and March we have feeling spring season. So normally we have only three season: summer, yes, then monsoon, then winter, and again after winter, after summer, then monsoon, winter. This cycle will go on. So I think clear about these three main season. Okay, summer too hot, sun rays are directly on India, and we can see low, dust storms, hail storms that we can see in that, and also hill stations in that time. Hill stations are cooler because of high altitude. Coastal area also not too hot because of sea breeze and land breeze, but other places too hot. And and which fruit we can see in that in summer? Mango. And monsoon season we start from June. That first will start from the coastal area and spread the whole of India. And what is the speciality of these? Yes, then the wind blow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Bring what moisture will bring that. And monsoon winds reached Malabar coast in June. By the middle of July, the monsoon reached almost every part of the country. And which area it is more getting monsoon? Western and eastern coast, and also northeastern states. And what is the speciality? Farmers depend on monsoon for start their cultivation, and sometimes heavy rainfall may problem of, yes, flood, and sometimes no rainfall, especially in Rajasthan, that will happen. Drought also will come. And winter, what is the speciality of winter? November to February, and this time short days and long nights, sun rays are slanting, and heavy rain, snowfall in Himalaya. Cold wind come from the mountains to the northern plains, and pleasant days we can feel in winter time. Okay, and spring season is from February to March. That time new leaves and flowers bloom on the trees. This season is very pleasant weather also. Okay, these are about the climate of India. This is a short portion only that also you have to study. And take your textbook. We can do the exercises also. Okay, finish up that one. Then take the textbook. Yes, page number 76. Yes, first we can read the, let us recall. Weather is the condition. You are beginning, I told you what is meant by weather is the condition of air surrounding us. Climate is the average weather condition of a place. The climate of any place depends on various factors. There are three main seasons in India: summer, monsoon and winter. Northern India has an extreme type of climate, that is very hot in summers and very cold in winter. The rainy season is very important for agriculture in India. South India experiences a mild climate. So some of the important points in this lesson. And next we have to write down, take the pencil and pick the correct answer, think and answer. First one, take the correct answer. Hot wind called Lu blow in which season? Summer. Okay. Yes. Which of these weather phenomena is not witnessed during summer? Because what is not we are seeing, cyclones are normally in monsoon time. So which is not phenomenon is not happened in summertime? Cyclones. And long nights and short days, that is in winter time. Okay. And fourth one, Rajasthan and Gujarat generally receive little rainfall. And the monsoon winds blow from Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, both of these. Both places we are getting monsoon winds. So what is the answer? Both of these. That is, both of these means Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. What is the correct answer? Both of these. Okay. And next one, B, match the following. Sea breeze. Sea breeze in coastal plains. Put that one, the other side you put the number. And hill station. In this side, match the following. Ooty. Mango, we can see in summer. And northeast region, heavy rainfall. Okay, these are about the match the following. The next one, fill in the blanks. First one, the schools in plains are closed for 2 months in the dash season. Schools closed in some with summer vacation, long vacation we are getting, that is which time? April and May. So that we are getting 2 months schools closed in summer season. And dash is a special trait of the summer season. Which is a special trait? Mango. Then third one, heavy rainfall can cause floods. Right now itself. Okay, don't wait for other class. Right now itself. Then fourth one, the lifestyle depends on the dash of a place one lives in. Climate of the place. Fourth one, climate. The king of fruits, mango, is available in which season? Summer. Yes. Heavy dash occurs in Himalayas in winter. Winter time, heavy snowfall. Then seventh one, in the winter, in the dash season, the trees shed their leaves. Shed their leaves in winter. And in that season, flowers and tender leaves bloom on trees. Which season? Yes, spring season. And next section, true or false. India has a wide range of landforms like mountains, plateaus and plains. That is true. The days become longer and nights shorter in summer season. That is also true. Third one, Ooty is a hill area. Yes, true. Then fourth one, Rajasthan and Gujarat get a high rainfall. Rajasthan and Gujarat little rainfall, so that is false. And fifth one, during the month of February and March, we have summer season. February and March, summer season, false. Okay. So these are about the true and false and some question answers. Answer these questions. What are the three main seasons in India? First read with me. After that only you have to write down. What are the three seasons in India? There are three main seasons in India: summer, monsoon and winter. There are, say with me, there are three main seasons in India: summer, monsoon and winter. This answer we can get from, let us recall. Take the page number 76. Fourth point. Mark that answer 1. Put it answer number. There are three. Did you see that? That page number 76. Fourth point. There are three main seasons in India: summer, monsoon and winter. This after taking that class you can write a copy down into the notebook. Mark it in the textbook first. Okay. Then second one. Why is the temperature low in hills? Why temperature is very low in hill stations? Why? Because the weather is cool in hilly regions because the temperature falls with an increase in height above the sea level, the increase in altitude. That is the explanation, height above the sea level. That is the answer. The weather is cool in hilly region because, how it is happened? Because the temperature falls with an increase in height above the sea level. Higher we go, cooler it becomes. That is increase in height above the sea level. That answer is in page number 74. Take the page number 74. Yes. In the right side, this second paragraph, sometimes, that paragraph did you see? In the middle of that, we can see that sentence. The weather is cool in hilly region because the temperature falls with increasing height above the sea level. Okay, mark that one. Second answer. Got it? Yes. Then third one, name any 4 hill stations in India. That is, any hill station you can write. That is second question. After that, we can see that many hill stations: Mussoorie, Nainital, Shimla, Darjeeling, Ooty, Mount Abu, etc. So any for asking, you can write any 4: Mussoorie, Nainital, Shimla and Ooty. The next one, why are farmers depend on the rainy season? Already told, in the rainy season farmers depend for what? For their crops. Farmers eagerly wait for the rains as their crops depend on rain. Okay. Why farmers depend on rain? Because their crops depend on rain. That is in page number 75. Right side, first paragraph, first sentence. Farmers eagerly wait for the rains as their crops depend on rain. Clear? Got the answer? Say with me. Farmers eagerly wait for the rains as their crops depend on rain. Got it? Yes. And one more question. That is, these other questions are only one sentence. The only question you have to write a short note on the monsoon season. So what are the things we studied in the monsoon season, you can write. So I copied on 2-3 sentences. So we have to study this. This is the main question, and other questions are only 1 or 2 sentences. The rainy season starts from coastal regions in the June and covers the whole of India by the middle of July. The rainy season starts from the coastal region in the June and covers the whole of India by the middle of July. The winds blow from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal and carry a lot of moisture. And farmers, that is the answer of fourth one. Farmers eagerly wait for the rains as their crops depend on rain. And heavy rainfall causes floods. Some places receive little rainfall. This leads to drought. It's also in the textbook. take the page number 75, winter monsoon season. Okay, so monsoon season, first paragraph, second sentence. Mark the second sentence first. Then say with me, the rainy season starts from coastal regions in June and covers the whole of India by the middle of July. And second point, second paragraph, first sentence. The winds blow from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal and carry a lot of moisture. Okay, mark that also. That is the second point. And take the fourth paragraph, that is the last paragraph of monsoon. Farmers eagerly wait for the rains as their crops depend on rain. Okay. Then heavy rainfalls causes flood. Some places receive little rainfall. This leads to drought. So mark these sentences and copy down into your notebook and study after that. 4 questions, only 1 sentences. Okay. So the monsoon season, write down the, I already told you how to mark the answers in the textbook. After that, class over, then you can copy from the textbook to the notebook. Okay, mark it in the textbook properly and put the question number, and after that we can write down and study for the next class this question answers and we can discuss and I will ask you in the online classes questions and all. Okay, so mark the study this lesson. Okay, I think it's very easy one, only seasons only. How many seasons? Yes, summer, monsoon, winter. Okay children. Okay, thank you.